Welcome!
Welcome
Something
to
in your face.
Channel. Stress-induced left eye twitch. I'm Jillian.
I'm Bo.
Mom.
This is our mom. We have her hair down. Well, somebody has the same look that she has in every video. But we have this new crazy product that I saw. I think you'd probably see it in all these different ads. It's called Ponyo.
Ponyo. Hey, do you have your Bo subscription box?
No.
Bo.
I'm a Bo and I okay, so the Ponyo is supposed to
be a better ponytail.
Be a better ponytail. And we use these things a lot.
Every time.
So, well, I have this that just ripped out half of my head of hair.
This is what I use.
So this, and it's supposed to be better and not crease. But I've tried it out already.
This one's not supposed to crease, but it for sure creases. Even, I mean, these are even like Sephora ones. And
so what this claims to be is it doesn't stretch, it bends, it's comfortable, it's secure, it's non-damaging, and non-creasing. But you guys are going to see that it's the weirdest thing I've ever put in my hair.
Why?
So I got two, and I'm gonna have Mom and Jilly try it first.
Ponyo.
No, we have Mom because Mom has medium length hair, Jilly has shorter hair, and I have long, thick hair. So
my hair's so.
You guys
thick,
ready?
though. Yeah, I'm ready.
For first impressions.
Okay, I'm ready. Ew! It's like
show it.
What's that called? That thing that you get out of the egg and then you'd always print it on newspaper?
Silly putty.
Oh. It looks like silly putty.
I thought it was a finger cut.
So if you open it up, there are little like circle bumps in it to help keep it in, and it's just really moldable.
It's silly.
Look, Bo, you're in there.
Okay, so what you're supposed to do? You're supposed to put it through your hand like this. You're going to take it, make it in a circle. Good job, Mom. And have it like this.
I was going to do it, too.
And then you're going to put your hair
have it like
up in a ponytail.
Okay.
You have it, but you got to put your hair up in a ponytail. It makes no sense to me. It's very awkward.
I watched the whole instruction.
And then, Mom, feed your hair through it, keeping it close to your head.
Okay.
My hair's all...
So the first step was stick your thumb and finger through Ponyo.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, so Jilly has squash it flat.
But so much hair is
Then place
out.
one thumb under your Ponyo and bend it, 1 inch in and then 1 inch in. I'm still struggling over here.
Wow.
Oh, well, it's...
All my hair fell out, though.
But that's not Ponyo's fault. Your ponytail's just
Let me try it again, okay?
Okay.
I won't do it so high this time. I watched the whole, infomercial on it.
I'm just so confused by it because I really was not expecting that, wire-ish. And it says you can do a ponytail, you can do a bun, you can do...
It does not feel secure.
Well, that's because that's... Okay, turn your head and I'm going to have you... Yeah, Mom.
But your hair's so pretty.
Mom, I'm going to try it because you failed.
Yeah, Mom.
So we're going to put it in a ponytail.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you're so rough on your hair.
Then I'm going to feed it through, keeping it close to your head.
I literally love it so far.
Then you squash it flat. Then you're going to bend 1 inch under, 1 inch over.
Ponyo.
Under.
Ponyo.
Oh, Mom's going to like it. Mom, look at your cute ponytail in the thing, in the viewfinder. No, just turn your head now. Turn your eyes. It is cute, though.
Ponyo.
What's wrong with yours?
It's Ponyo.
Ponyo.
Okay, let me try.
Wait, Mom's right. I can't look in the viewfinder.
I'm sorry.
I'm not.
Your nose is just running and running.
Can I use yours?
Where
did this tissue go? I think I was wiping my nose before it started.
It feels sort of sturdy, but not.
Mine feels sturdy. I so far love it. Hate how it looks.
Can we wrap it with hair so it's...
No, but Mom and Jilly... Oh, I'm going to try it, and then Mom...
Okay, let me do some head banging.
Actually, since Mom can't seem to do it on her own, Jilly, you want to try... No, because you tried on Mom, and try one of these braided
Don't
ones.
pull it out.
I didn't even look.
You got to undo it, and then I got to try it.
Center. Slide.
Yeah, try this one.
My hair is too clean right now because I just washed it.
I
No,
just
let me
can't.
do it in my own
I
hair.
can't get all my hair through it.
Can I do it to you?
No, because it
Please.
hurts.
No, I'm doing it.
Julie, no, I really don't want you to
I
do
don't
it.
care.
No.
Bo, let me do it.
Let me live my
Do you
life and make
trust
my.
me?
Absolutely not. You hurt people.
Bo,
think I
can
have
I
a problem.
please do it?
Mom's eating.
Start at the bottom. Can I do it?
Of
Bo,
hair?
please?
My first plum
For
ever.
the video.
You want me to start down here?
And then just casually put it up. That's what I did. Like this, look, Bo. I went to the very tip of my hair, and then
Okay.
you just slide it to the very top.
Okay, I'm sliding it.
Yeah, to the top. Okay, now pinch it.
Good.
Wow, that looks so cute in your hair. Okay, so I'm gonna center, slide,
me see.
roll, and fold. Center, slide.
What's happening here?
You forgot those pieces. What's happening
Roll.
here?
And it's like all bumpy.
Fold.
You have the biggest rat underneath you.
Guys,
know.
this does not
Let me
work
see the
for a
front of you.
bun.
It's cute. Does it feel sturdy though?
Yeah, it does. I mean, I think it would stand.
I would like to have a bun.
Okay,
I wonder
I'll
if
try a bun on
do
you,
you
Mom.
think there's like different types of them, like bigger ones? Because this wouldn't fit my bun.
I asked, or I looked through it.
That sounded weird.
Okay, come over here. So, Julie, read me the instructions so I can do it to Mom.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Center.
What? That doesn't make any sense.
Center it.
Get all the hair, please.
Slide it down.
Wait, Julie, you're.
So this is like, I think this is a different product.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? Cause
Yeah, that makes sense.
Because that's not going to work at all.
Well, let's see if it will work on Mom.
It's called the bun bar.
Oh, so it's just a different.
That's that thing
Yeah.
that goes. Oh my word! Oh, that is so.
Please, I'm going to do your hair. I'll
No.
be so gentle.
No, touch my hair. Oh my God. So that's the ponyo.
Done with
Totally.
ponyo.
What are your thoughts on it?
I like it. I can't wait to try it more. Wait, I'm not even in the frame.
This is gonna be a lonely ponyo.
Okay, guys, I'm going to try a low ponyo because I have really short hair.
It's
I'm
not
gonna
a
try
low ponyo. It's a low pony using
I'm
the
gonna throw
ponyo.
a low ponyo.
No.
I want to call it that.
My hair needs to be washed. We're on like day
My
5.
hair is very.
Oh, your
clean
hair looks great right now. I don't even know what you're talking
until
about.
you touch it.
Yeah, until you touch
Look
it.
underneath of the
Oh
rats
my-
that are underneath there.
Wait, there isn't that
there
many
are
rats
really
underneath.
a lot of rats
Here's
in your
a
hair at
rat.
all times. I think my problem is I'm pinching too much on one side and not as much on the other side. That part's kind of hard to get used to. I don't feel like I've mastered that. Okay, look guys. Ponyo.
I don't like it. That's weird looking. You have to have all your hair up.
Ponyo.
See, but hers looks so much pretty. Wait, why is her circle part facing out?
What?
Right?
Are we supposed to turn it the other way?
Mom,
Why
give
would
me
it
the
even
ponyo.
come that way? Yeah,
It's the real ponyo.
her bumpy part is sticking out for sure. I think we're doing it wrong.
No, because that's supposed to grip your hair.
Exhibit A.
Maybe there's were there different colors?
Ew.
Yeah, but this is the same color.
I mean, different designs.
No.
Well, I don't know. I'm confused, but
Big
I
bun
do
sign.
think-
Oh,
that
but
I
look,
will
Mom,
use my
the bumpy
ponyo.
part is facing out.
I'm gonna try to use my
Oh, why would
All right,
But in
let's-
here, it's facing in. This makes no sense, Ponyo. I think that you have
ponyo. Your marketing
some
ponyo.
marketing problems.
I really like it, Ponyo, because your ad is so addicting. Because every couple of minutes they go, Ponyo.
Just to remind you that it is a Ponyo that they are selling.
I think I'll probably stick with
Should I
this
do a
thing.
review on my new mattress?
Yes!
You got a new mattress?
Bo is getting a purple mattress.
Okay.
Oh, I've heard of those.
I didn't
And you
get
can
it.
send it back in 100 days,
Somebody's significant other bought it.
Bo's significant other, if you're confused. All right.
I
Thanks
feel
for
like this is
watching.
Two different ones.
Don't
Mom,
forget-
we already went through that.
I know, but I'm trying to figure out how
Don't
to make
forget
it not
to
too different.
subscribe to our channel.
Conan.
Thanks so much. Bye.
Wish you could be
You
like,
clicked it off.
oh,
Okay.
Oh.
done.